There's an easier way to find your way with TomTom Go, the portable widescreen GPS navigation solution. Switch it on and go right out of the box. TomTom's distinctive design and ultra-wide touchscreen puts the power of GPS navigation in an easy-to-use all-in-one solution. It's portable and easily taken from car to car. The Go will show you and tell you how to find your way to any destination. TomTom Go automatically locates where you are, anywhere in the United States, Canada, or Europe, and leads you to where you want to go door to door. You simply enter the first few letters of your city and street address for your destination. Select the type of route you want and just start driving. TomTom Go has a brilliant widescreen 3D view that looks just like the road ahead of you. TomTom Go will talk to you with its innovative voice instruction. The Go 910 even includes street names. As you approach a turn, TomTom will tell you the name of the street and the direction to take, so you can keep your eyes on the road.
After 1/4 mile, turn left on Church Street.
Miss an exit? TomTom Go gets you back on track fast. Getting hungry? A few clicks and you're on your way to nearby restaurants, gas stations, wherever you want to go. With a Bluetooth-enabled phone, you can use your Go for hands-free calling. There's no need for a separate hands-free calling kit. Just tap the screen to make or receive calls. An optional remote control makes things even easier.
Hi, John. Any thoughts on where you might like to have dinner tonight?
Well, I'm at the corner of Park and Main. Check the TomTom for the location of the new steakhouse. Why don't I call for a reservation?
Add your own style to the Go with custom settings, points of interest, faceplates, and more. You can choose from a variety of real voices, including character and celebrity voices.
Bear right, beaver left.
And you can store thousands of songs and images on the internal 20-gig hard drive. And now you can easily control your iPod directly from your TomTom Go. Just tap the Go's wide screen to see and select your favorite iPod tunes. The TomTom Go Home Dock lets you easily connect to your PC for itinerary planning or to access additional maps, voices, and other great content. The portable, easy-to-use, widescreen TomTom Go is the smart, easy choice for everyday navigation. Smart, easy, fun. TomTom Go. Find your way the easy way.